The actual day we go to Disneyland, Katy. You excited? Oh, you really seems excited. You don't want to see Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse? You like to stay here in the hotel room? Ah, you're a killjoy. Alright, maybe you'll change once we get there.
The following program is rated TV MAL. It contains strong language and is intended only for mature audiences.
Hi, welcome to our family. Come and see. It's Katy and me.
Five minutes later.
Still line, folks.
Fifteen minutes later.
We're here in the parking structure, Donald Duck 9F. We're starting off with Pissed Off Donald. You like our first line, Katy? Check it out.
This ride better be good. Yeah, this line is way too long. I think we're almost to the end. We better be. We've been in line for almost an hour. Here we go. Finally.
Did you enjoy the ride?
What ride? Yeah.
This was the line ride, a real-life simulator of a long line.
You gotta be kidding me.
That's 5 tickets, thank you very much. Come see us again soon.
My
Ready to see Mickey Mouse, Katy? Minnie Mouse, okay.
One hour later.
That's a fact, baby. We're finally gonna score.
The back seat? No, it's full. Oh. You sleep by you? Thank you. Train ride, Katy. Is this Thomas the train? Not yet? Okay.
Katy's Toontown and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station.
That's the same for
As we
20,
begin our
30
journey,
years.
Remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Watching my children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails.
Can we have all children sitting down, please, on their back pockets? Their back pockets would be.
This station also serves Frontierland and Critter Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain.
Once again, we need all children sitting down, please, not standing on the bench next to you. We need everyone sitting down, please. Children need to be sitting down.
Just a moment.
Okay, who's standing up?
This is New Orleans Square.
Thank you.
Actually, know that. There's a camera on board. Honey, back.
How about you watching this? I want to take care of the contact, okay? You sit down. Hey, you need to hold your hand, okay? Don't be loud.
To those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos,
It's scary.
piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're now entering Splash Mountain, rumored to be the location of the one and only Laughing Place. If you look real hard, you just might find it.
Look at
It's where the
this.
critters are
Look at
celebrating
this.
zippity-doo-dah.
Wow!
Speaking of critters, this place we're passing over is home to a whole bunch of them. Here in Critter Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Brer Rabbit, and Brer Bear on their fun-filled adventures.
Another tunnel.
As we steam past Hungry Bear Restaurant, the last outpost of these parts, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see.
There's a boat. Give him the finger. They're Indian.
There is the revered Indian shaman sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below.
Oh, that bridge so good.
People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
In the mountain? That's where the monster lives.
That ain't supposed to be that. You don't need to wait a long line. Now we go back and buy.
What are you talking?
Oh,
yeah, well. I don't change the rule in California. Oh, fox. Here comes another tunnel.
This tunnel signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of pier, the ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown, a cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland.
Alright, folks, you're now arriving at Mickey's Toontown Depot. For your safety, please remain seated until the train has come through.
No stage due to COVID.
This will be your stop.
Mickey's Toontown.
Once again, folks, this is your exit for the train seated until the train has come through. Fully complete stops inside the station.
With your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos?
Watch your kids.
Bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos,
Yeah, this is
brazos, pies y
Toontown.
piernas dentro del tren.
Oh, this is the small world ride.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view
There's
of
the
the
Matterhorn.
land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
The line's not that long, honey. That's it.
We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all
See the car?
ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required.
Look, they're driving.
If you're into
You're gonna drive your car later.
or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
Alright, folks, we're now arriving at Tomorrowland Station. For your safety, please remain seated until the train has stop for attractions such as Space Mountain.
Look at all those cars.
Orbiter.
This line's a little longer, but not too bad.
Please remain seated.
Here's the Matterhorn.
Stay seated. Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train.
Oh, it's the Grand Canyon again.
And no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado, mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no
Oh, it's so dark, Katy. Where are you? Look at that. Wow, it looks so real. See the deer? And the mousey? And the meow meow? And the buddy? And the bunnies? They're skunks. Wow.
Turn off the lights and your recording devices, please. Thank you.
Whoa, that's the ram.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But
And the dinosaurs.
now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.
Oh, look at the T-Rex. That's scary. Let's see Mickey Mouse. Minnie's over here. Yeah, she's up there. See Minnie Mouse? And Goofy and Pluto. Why don't you talk? Goofy talks. You happy? Say bye with them. Just walk down Main Street.